Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make music sound like it's underwater in CapCut PC. So here you can start by adding the music that you want to add it. Here is the music, for example, and you can just go to the speed options at the top right here and make the speed into 10 times faster. Like this. Okay, after you make it faster, you can just right click on the music and create a compound clip. And then here, click on the music again. Still on the speed, you can just lower the speed or slow it down to 0.1. And this is the result. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.